based in Mallorca last December on the day of the official ceremony in Cardiff. And today we've asked Professor Laura McAllister, the chair of Sport Wales, to come along and make this afternoon, so we'll be very grateful for that, Laura. 2014 was truly a great year for Geraint. Has a Commonwealth gold medal ever been won in such thrilling circumstances? I'm sure all of you recall Geraint surviving that late puncture on the road race, and I'm sure half of Wales were helping change the wheel in those last seconds of the race. And of course, prior to that, he also won a bronze medal in Glasgow in the time trial, just days after competing in the Tour de France. 2015 is following the same course. He's already won the Volta Algarve for Team Sky, and he's also won the E3, the first British rider ever to do so. So many congratulations on that. So we're absolutely delighted that you've made time to join us today. I know it's a bit premature. I know you're getting married to Sarah a bit later in the year, so very good luck for that. You've been out getting your wedding outfit today, I think. But we know you carry the Welsh flag with great pride wherever you go, and many congratulations on the award itself. Thanks. Congratulations.
Say a few words himself, but just on behalf of everyone at Sport Wales and on behalf of everybody in Wales, I guess, we'd like to say a big thank you to you for your efforts, particularly in Glasgow last year, because, as you know, that was a difficult games for Wales at the outset, and we ended up coming out with our best ever performance and 36 medals, 2 of which, of course, you won, including that thrilling finale. But having told people I was coming up today, the message from everybody was just to say how proud we are of you, not only your efforts in Team Sky and Team GB,